Good day, this is the Professor, Professor drwillphd, PhD, and today is Thursday, October 20th, 2022. It is 12:21 and 34 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer. So let's jump to it here. The study sheds light on understudied breast cancer type, date October 14, 2022, source, University of Pittsburgh. A multi-center analysis of patients with invasive lobular carcinoma, or ILC, the second most common histological subtype of invasive breast cancer in the U.S. That showed, despite its prevalence, invasive lobular carcinoma is detected. Later it has worse outcomes than the predominant subtype of invasive breast cancer, known as invasive ductal carcinoma, or no special type. The research shows that invasive lobular carcinoma and invasive ductal carcinoma are biologically distinct, highlighting important differences between the two diseases and the need for specific detection and treatment options for the lobular subtype. Lobular breast cancer makes up about 10% to 15% of breast cancer cases, but it has historically been neglected by the research community, so we really don't know that much about it. There has been increasing awareness that invasive lobular carcinoma and invasive ductal carcinoma are distinct, but this large multi-center study provides compelling evidence that these are two different diseases that require different management. And these findings likely indicate that detection of lobular breast cancer is delayed. When these tumors are finally detected, they are larger and they've already moved to the lymph nodes, indicating the cancer is spreading. As researchers, we need to put more effort into improving early detection of invasive lobular carcinoma by developing new imaging technologies or other methodologies. Invasive lobular carcinoma's key feature is loss of a gene called E-cadherin that helps cells stick together. As a result, lobular cancer cells grow in lines, producing tumors that look more like spider webs than the familiar round lumps of invasive ductal carcinoma. And these web-like tendrils make invasive lobular carcinoma difficult to spot on mammograms until the cancer has grown and often advanced. The analysis found that invasive lobular carcinoma cells were lower grade than invasive ductal carcinoma, meaning that they looked more similar to normal cells. However, invasive lobular carcinoma tumors were diagnosed twice as often as stage 3 or 4, advanced stages in which cancer cells have spread beyond breast tissue to the lymph nodes or metastasized to other parts of the body. Lobular tumors were also larger in size than their ductal counterparts. The researchers restricted the next part of their analysis to patients with tumors bearing estrogen receptors and lacking the ATR2 receptor, and they found that patients with lobular cancer had worse disease-free survival and overall survival. Invasive lobular carcinoma patients also had more disease recurrence than those with invasive ductal carcinoma, and recurrences tended to occur later. And this suggests that tumor cells hibernate somewhere in the body until they are reawakened. We need to find where these cells hang out and why they reawaken. A commercially available advanced genomic test called Oncotype DX was used to predict risk of recurrence and response to chemotherapy for patients with early stage estrogen receptor positive ATR2 negative breast cancer. The analysis found that there was a significant association between the Oncotype DX score and cancer recurrence for patients with invasive ductal carcinoma. Very few invasive lobular carcinoma cases were classified as higher risk despite more late recurrences, highlighting the need for specific molecular tests that improve predictions for lobular breast cancer. In summary, lobular breast cancer and ductal breast cancer are two distinct diseases. The study shows that lobular breast cancers are diagnosed at a more advanced stage and have increased chance of recurrence. However, invasive lobular cancer was less likely to be classified as high risk by a commonly used genomic test. Despite their differences, these cancers are often treated the same. We hope these findings will spark research aimed at developing new diagnostic tools and drugs to improve outcomes for patients with lobular breast cancer. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.